Hi, I'm Dr. Forrest Packard. Do you suffer with loose dentures? Does your denture slide around like it has a mind of its own? Are you embarrassed to smile because you're missing teeth? I have the solution that will free you from these uncomfortable feelings. Let me give you your self-confidence back and give you the ability to eat the foods you love to eat but can't. You'll be able to smile and laugh out loud again without the worries of your dentures falling out. Mini dental implants are your affordable solution, and I have been placing them for years with amazing results. Call Precision Dental today for a complimentary consultation and let us change your life forever.
Mini dental implants are 5 times less invasive, less pain, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and the cost to you is less than half of the traditional implants. Precision Dental has 2 locations in Bowling Green. Call the Fairview Avenue office at 270-746-5880. Their Nashville Road office number is 270-715-9214, or go online at precisiondentalbowlinggreen.com to schedule your free consultation and let them create that winning smile.